If you're choosing a live TV streaming service, three of the biggest options are YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, and Sling TV. They all let you stream live channels without cable, but they target very different budgets and needs. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. YouTube TV is the most complete package. You get a large channel lineup, unlimited cloud DVR, and one of the best user interfaces in any streaming service. It's very easy to use, works smoothly across devices, and includes major sports, news, and entertainment channels. The downside is price. It's one of the most expensive options, but you're paying for convenience and completeness. Hulu Plus Live TV is the best all-in-one bundle. It combines live TV with access to Hulu's on-demand library, plus often includes Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, depending on the plan. This makes it great for people who want both live channels and streaming content in one subscription. However, the interface can feel a bit cluttered, and the DVR isn't as seamless as YouTube TV. Sling TV is the budget option. It's much cheaper and lets you choose between different channel packages, so you only pay for what you need. This makes it very flexible and cost-effective. But the trade-off is fewer channels, limited DVR compared to YouTube TV, and a less polished overall experience. So the real difference is this. YouTube TV is the most complete, Hulu Plus Live TV is the best bundle, and Sling TV is the most affordable. Choose YouTube TV if you want the best overall experience with the most channels and easiest interface. Choose Hulu Plus Live TV if you want a mix of live TV and on-demand streaming in one subscription. Choose Sling TV if you want the cheapest option and don't mind fewer channels. Bottom line, YouTube TV is the best overall, Hulu Plus Live TV is best for bundle value, and Sling TV is best for budget users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.